Hey guys, did a little bit of auction shopping last week, so I figured I'd show you guys what I got to add to the stash. I got a couple goodies that I've been looking for a little while and found them all. So this is the first one I got, the old Aerovet. It's a pretty cool car. That's one of the views. So this one they had it was opened already. But I'm pretty sure it was a complete kit. And of course they had the glass out. So I have to do a little bit of buffing on that. At least it's in the kit, so. And so there's the body. It's a pretty cool car. Yeah, everything's still in there. Now that one I was actually quite excited to get. I usually see this one about $40. I got this one in a group with all the other ones. Got a nice mean look to it. Just looking at the box, it kind of reminds me of something that would be on the original Mad Max. Especially like this side view. This will probably be one of the next ones I build. Now this one came in the same group. I saw this one actually in one of the hobby shops, kind of a ways away. They were selling it for 70 bucks. Now they did re-release it. I don't know if there's any difference, so if you guys have this one and compare it to the new release, let me know if there's any difference in the two. It's in the other room, but let me know if there's anything the same or if there's any differences, because if it's the same I might not open this one. Who knows? Now, past videos, you already saw this. This one came with all these at the same time. Right now it's soaking in the stripper, and most of the paint is coming off. So it's getting pretty close to start working on that kit. And this one came with it. I wasn't 100% excited about this. This wasn't the one I was jumping to. It's still sealed. But it's not a bad kit. This one also came in a lot. They're not a very pretty car. Not my opinion anyhow. I think it was kind of a GM flop. But it might be a fun kit to build. It's all in there. There's a lot of plastic in that one. And then another dragster. Now I'm hoping this one is a lot better. I just noticed that price tag. I don't know if you guys can see that. 25 cents. Man, I wish that I could find some for 25 cents. So what I want to try to show you guys is that piece is all one piece. So it should be a lot easier to get that one straight compared to the yellow dragster I'm doing right now. That one's just crooked as hell no matter what I do to it. Then I got a couple from the hobby shop. This is one of the new ones that are being re-released from the new Revell. Because now it says down there, Revell, Germany. And then the last one I got. This one will be a fun build. I have to do a little thinking on this one. This one won't be one I'll rush into. It's a nice heavy kit. Alright guys, I figured I'll share a little bit of the addiction with you guys. Maybe make you guys want a new kit. Until the next video, talk to you guys later.